All right, folks, it's me. We're here again. Doctor, do you know what bacteria it was? What do you believe it was?
I most certainly do. It was E. coli.
How do you know it was E. coli?
Well, the symptoms
Okay,
were
what
that
were the
of E.
symptoms?
coli, bloody diarrhea, abdominal cramps, just the general.
Vomiting.
Vomiting. Oh, yes, lots of vomiting. Terrible.
There you have it, folks. We think it is E. coli. Well, actually, we do know it was E. coli. And finally, doctor, do you know what food item it was that made them sick?
It was probably a hamburger meat.
How do you know it was the hamburgers?
Probably undercooked. Undercooked hamburger meat will give you E. coli. Terrible, terrible. Next time you need to cook it.
Okay. Now, and we know that all of them did eat hamburgers at the picnic, and that's a shame, folks. There you have it. E. coli was the culprit. They had bloody diarrhea, vomiting, body aches, all of the above, you name it. They ate cheeseburgers, and we know the next time you go to any barbecue, cook your food and have a pleasant time. There it is. I'm Anita Blackman from Channel 43 News. Thanks.